I'd like to say thank you to all the restorers in North Carolina who've given me such a warm welcome. I've really enjoyed my membership in the Mid-South Professional Cleaners Association. I've had a lot of great experiences in North Carolina, and it's a place that I hold near and dear to my heart. And because of that, I'm very happy today to announce the release of my North Carolina specific coronavirus service contract. This is a result of many hours of hard work and collaboration with veteran North Carolina Council. In my opinion, the typical restoration contract is not suitable for coronavirus disinfection work. We have no published industry standards of care. There's a risk that the property can become recontaminated after the work is done. Usually there's no testing to confirm that the virus has been removed. The success of the work is difficult to measure and difficult to describe. And there's typically no visible evidence that the work was performed. We also don't want to have a contract that says we're going to return the property to its pre-loss condition. That probably can't be guaranteed. So the typical restoration contract isn't really suitable for this kind of work. And on top of all of that, the risks are higher with this kind of work because the virus is contagious and potentially lethal. So our contract disclaims warranties. It explains that you're providing a process rather than a specific result. It establishes a process to determine how the success of the work will be determined. And it addresses the fact that the property can become recontaminated as soon as somebody comes back in. It includes consent for the chemicals to be used and holds the contractor harmless for adverse reactions to those chemicals. And it also includes a waiver of claims that are in excess of the amount of the contract price. Most importantly, the contract includes hold harmless and indemnity provisions that address the existence or reintroduction of the virus on the property, the spreading of the virus or the COVID-19 disease, and any errors or omissions by the customer's consultants. It allows the contractor to cancel the contract if the customer's hygienist has some unreasonable criteria to assess the work. My friends in North Carolina, you deserve protection for the risks that you take. This package includes detailed instructions on how to fill out the forms and how to answer frequently asked questions. And it also includes a customer health questionnaire where you can document the medical conditions of the people who occupy the property. The COVID pandemic is not the time to use homemade contracts. This contract package is provided with my zero risk policy. If you don't like it for any reason, just let me know and I will refund your money, no questions asked. Thank you very much for the honor to serve you, and I look forward to talking to you soon.